Kayla from Troop 90880. Today I'm going to be making a bandana mask. First you fold it, then you fold it again. Doesn't have to be perfect, you can just fold it. Then you fold it halfway on one side. Make sure it's not covering the whole thing. Then you fold it again on the other side. Then you get a hair tie. Then you wrap it on one side and make sure it is all the way onto the corner where it folds. Then you do the same thing to the other side when you are all done doing that to the other side. And make sure it's nice and neat and it's all flat. And it's easier to do in a square so you know where the crease is, so you know where to put the hair tie at. When you're all done with that, it is going to look like a piece of candy, but make sure it's not like all the way down so you have room to do the next step. Then you want to fold the middle part. Not fold it, but you want to make it flat so you can put one piece inside of it. And then you get the other, first you get the piece that you put in the middle, take one of the pieces off, and then put the other side, the other square that you put the hair tie on, and you fold it inside. Then you put it down. Then you get the hair ties and you make sure they're nice and sturdy, and that's how you make it.